you sure you're doing the right thing?
I really don't care. All I know is that I love you and I'm going to spend the rest of my life with you. My father wants me to suffer, that's why he threw me out of the palace. So I will go suffer and then come crawling to beg him, but no! I don't care what it takes me, I will stick to you.
Let's go to my house. My mother will gladly welcome us.
No. I don't want us to go to your house. I don't want us to go anywhere they can trace us. I want us to go far, far away to another land. If we go to your house, they might locate us. I have a friend from Umuaji Kingdom. I think he can be of help.
Umuaji?
Yes.
Umuaji is very, very far from here.
The more reason we have to start going now before it gets dark.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me.
I had a nice time, man. So, when are you going back to the palace?
Since Mama is okay now, I should be going back, let's say tomorrow.
That's nice. Well, I'll be going back to school now. As soon as we're on vacation, I'll be back to the palace. Okay? What is it?
Okay. Just I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too, okay? Alright, come here. Come here. Come here, my darling. I'll see you soon, okay? Come on, take care of Mama. Take care of Mama.
Oh no, damn, you shift me and shift now. Shift fast, show.
Hello, sweetheart.
Baby, I'm fine. How are you doing? How's Abuja?
I'm fine. It's just that I'm missing you.
I miss you more. You're still in Abuja?
Yeah, I'm still in Abuja. Do you know I missed my flight?
Onyeda. Mias.
Jesus is Lord. There is God, though.
Hello?
Yeah, baby.
Hello, baby? Hello?
I'm still in Abuja. I'll be coming back first thing tomorrow morning.
Oh my God. Babe, I can't wait to see you.
Yeah, sweetheart. I have some issues here. Can you please give my driver 70,000 to fix down my car? Because I'm having some problems with my app.
That's not a problem. There's something I'd like to tell you. I think you should change this car.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Don't worry, we'll talk about it when you're back from Abuja. Promise me.
Oh, I'm so grateful, sweetheart. You are a darling.
I miss you. All right.
All right, take care of yourself.
All right, take care.
Boy.
Afa, what did check the talk?
Boy.
Oh boy.
I dey get new car. She go arrange new car for me.
Oh boy. You miss it, the shekels, one buy us new ride.
Get there now. You dey learn work. Now I dey tell you say I dey teach you work. You go dey mumu like wetin I no know. See am now, my work don't pay. It don't pay.
See. Ejiro, calm down, like calm down. Lock up like Jacob. Which one? Now what be your own now? Sure. See, make I yarn you something no. Now because no be sounds I be speak English. Now because of say your weight and your belly. Now make we give you this contract too. If not, as I be speak English.
It dey easy to get belly. If no be my belly and the body where I get, I for arrange this job.
Bear waiting. Belly? No belly, I'm bare. See, Ejiro, make I tell you something. Forget that thing when you dey talk. Oh. No be banga soup and starch full inside the belly.
Keep quiet. Don't they talk too much. I dey teach you work. You dey talk to me anyhow. See, go bath na. Bath na. You dey go palace, go collect 70K for the arrangement of the imaginary car repair.
Oh boy! See, may I yarn you something, Yeah. If no be say now you went talk, say make I go bath, If no be him, I would like to remove like this. Man, just go there, go
Lord of God. No even try am. I dey talk say you dey smell. You can't go again. Can't join the. I beg. You want make my job now? I beg, go there. Collect. You go inside room. Collect that air freshener. Rub for your armpit. Begin the waka. Go immediately. I beg.
Which air freshener? Air freshener when I finish the last 2 weeks. Igbi. Just there, they deceive yourself. See, make I tell you, go see that air freshener dey safe. I no go spray am. That thing dey smell like wetin they spray for dead body.
Oh, you get bad mouth. Oh yeah, go now, go. I don't hear. You too talk.
See, Ejiro, may I see you on that matter. Or you could say you want collect that shirt today, say me I return am.
We no say we borrow shirt. See, what you go happen now? Just go this one first. Go this one. Even Kukuma collect body spray from her. You know now.
Na legit matter be that.
I tell you.
Ajiwe, what's the water?
Hey, see how 70K just, man. They say that they use juju do Yahoo. No be juju now. No be mouth. Hey, oh boy.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters.
Anyone here?
We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters.
Nnamdi. Uchenna. This one you came. Hope all is well. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Well, I've heard all you said, but you cannot stay here. I have somewhere else you will stay.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Uchenna.
You're welcome.
I don't know what my wife and I would have done without you.
You don't have to worry. Let's go and see the place.
Right away? Okay then.
It's my grandmother's house. Since my grandmother died, nobody has been living in it. You people can live here for now until we get a better place.
Thank you. You don't know what you have done for us. You have proven to be a good friend, and my wife and I, we appreciate this.
Thank you. God bless you.
Bless you too. Like I told you, the people of this kingdom, what they do for a living is farming. And that's what I do to take good care of my family too. You can join me if you don't mind.
Of course I will. In fact, I want to, because as we speak, we don't even have money to feed.
All right then. Tomorrow, if I'm going to work, I'll come and call you.
No, you don't even need to come. We'll just get up early and then come meet you at the house.
All right, no problem.
All right, thank you very much. Yeah? Tomorrow, God bless you. All right.
If I can see you enjoying the food.
Princess, who be that chain case when carry this child come now? That babe now when carry this child come, that babe is sweet, that be ripe. Sweet.
You're very funny. So how are you enjoying the meal?
Princess, this food sweet dry. How the food legit?
When is your boss coming back?
Princess, the legit matter now be say, I just did. Understand? I dey wait. You get? So once you just be me like this, I just go born, go dey wait. Once I just get to control airport, I go pick am.
Wow. All right. That's the money. That's 100,000 naira.
I talk am because the money fat.
30,000 naira for yourself, then 70,000 naira to fix up the car.
Everywhere good.
Why not sell the car or give it out?
Say. Princess, my boss no dey carry anything wey be gift dey play. Anything wey G follow, man can carry dey play. See that car? What you just say we say now? Na the mile when he born in Male, na I give am that car as gift.
Hey, what do you mean by Gile?
No be Gile, Mile. Mile when he born my boss Male.
Oh,
I give am the car.
You mean the grandmother?
Your head and your neck. See, na the grandmother na give her as gift. But why I be say una sef, any small thing na go dey jump, any small thing wey we just talk here now, carry am dey go English, carry am dey go English. Who English don help? Who English help?
It's okay. Just enjoy your meal.
See, make I tell you, if you call my boss bunk, he bunk, he rise, he hold my bunk. If you want, you wish you hold my bunk like this.
If you calm down. Bunkre. I don't get it.
No, be bunkre. Caban, crab. That's my oga, okay. Papa, caban.
Okay. The father's house.
Yes. The father house, just as you talk am. But wetin we know am for na bunk. If you come there, you'll see different cars. Range Rover Sport, ordinary Range Rover, Lamborghini, Bugatti. Every car did there, everything did the command, but you know they ride those ones because those ones no be gift. Now this one now, when you just say we go hail am out, so this one now, when you say we hail out, now it be the car you say that's
what? Just continue your meal.
no problem.
Okay.
Mingo.
Boy. So, this money don't come now.
Bros, what if she can call you? Call ask you say, where you dey, all those kind of matter. Wetin you go talk? Because wetin I yarn her for palace just now be say, once I don fix the car like this, I begin dey fly, dey come airport, come pick you.
That one no be problem. No be me get format. Let me get format now. When that time reach, I go through a format now. Trust me now. See, wetin I go talk for this mouth, Take am easy, you too dey rush drink. I no know this free money wey come now, you don dey rush your drink. See, as I dey tell you, that day I go still through another format. Tell am say, my grandfather don die. No be say my grandfather never die you. He don't die you. You understand? That one no be problem now. Trust me. All this now why they tell you say no they talk too much. Ta 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 ta. This thing na brain. If you watch me, I know they talk too much.
Even like that, I like myself like that. Monkey not fine, but him mama like him. Monkey not fine, but him mama like him. See, bros, na real matter be that. You see that matter na legit matter. You understand? Once you just hear and say like this, say grandpile don't pef, you don't kick bucket, Say we need money to buy casket, we'll buy canopy, we'll buy chairs. If people will come the better say go chop rice, so we go cool.
How you carry know wetin dey my mind?
My head dey my neck now.
Now, since I know you, know this thing na the best talk where you don't talk. I dey tell you. You don't dey learn o. You don't dey learn.
For you. Which one? Na what for you? Why you call the talk matter when not legit now? Bro, not the yarn like that. See, make I tell you something, bros. I get sense so. Otherwise, I just dey lock up like Jacob.
Down.
Understand? Bros, calm down now. Calm down like calm down.
See, no
lock up.
You don't know anything. Go school. Go school. If you go to school as a youth, don't go open now. As I dey get this brain now, you go to get am.
Bros,
you know.
School. Who school help? Bros, forget that one. School na scam. They use that to chop our money. Street they pay. Not be CBN.
You say school na scam.
Na scam.
Hi.
Na scam. See, bro. Based on as e be now, money don't come. Ride go soon come as you promise. Once I come, our next target now na house, caban.
Exactly. We go come up for here now. Here no be house now.
Abi?
See where person dey. And because say things dey like this, I know my worth.
And as e be like this now, once I enter worry, worry go shake. See, market road go hear am, Egberi Koko go hear am, say I don arrive.
Wait. With how much? With
50k now.
With this stipend, with this money, this change. Hi. All these things why they teach you, you know they use this your head. How you go use 50k? Go they flex, they give people, they share.
Bros, why you dey preach for me like Jehovah's Witness now? Sure. Bros, lock up like Jacob. See, make I tell you, bros, you don't even know the real matter. The real matter be say once I just give one DCBN, now I just give 3 or 4 of my babes. The remaining one I go use and transport come back.
See, where I from know you?
A full roundabout.
A full roundabout.
And then you for know me. Bros, I bet me I go give him Ochuko a shoe. All gonna do don't collect the cab for road just now. You know how Ochuko matter they be. I know they fit for all this any matter. May I return so that next time, if we ask him, he go fit still give us.
See, may I tell you, the advice why I go tell you last, come on 1,000. Even if na 1,000, buy boxers and singlet. No try wear my boxers again, no.
Bros, look your. See how much your times. No, see, I did for your head. Bros, now women first. Forget boxers.
Now women first.
Look up now. How much your pants?
This boy. Hi.
Where is the queen?
Your Highness.
Yes.
She's upstairs. She refused to come downstairs.
Why?
I don't know, Your Highness.
Where in upstairs is she?
She's in her room.
Okay. Lolo, why did you refuse to join me at the dining table? What is the problem?
Why should I dine with the man who is heartless enough to disown his own son?
The man who is heartless enough to disown his own child. Let me tell you something. Any child that disobeys his parents must be punished. Your son disobeyed me, and what is happening to him is the punishment for it.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me.
Uchenna. Good morning.
You sleep at all?
We did.
We did. Good morning.
Good morning. I can see you're ready for the work.
Yes, we are.
Oh, good. But you can't farm with these same clothes. I'll give you something else to wear. Just come inside. Let me give you something else to wear. Yeah.
That's all that matters. I don't care what you are, I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters.
My daughter, give this to your father, eh? Tell him I appreciate everything.
My daughter, we will miss you a whole lot. This palace will always be open for you, meaning you're always welcomed.
I know, and I appreciate everything. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you, my queen.
Thanks, my love.
I'm grateful.
You're welcome.
Be very careful, okay?
What are you doing here all alone?
I'm worried.
Worried? Worried about what?
Vivian. I'm worried about Vivian. You know she's the only one that's been taking care of my mother medication since ever. And I'm not happy that she's leaving. I don't know what to do.
Informa, we all are not happy either. But I think her leaving is for good. Come on.
Okay, you know, I don't know what to do. I don't know.
Informa, it's okay. Your mother will be fine. Nothing will happen to her. Okay?
Just pray so.
She'll be fine. See, you have to go and finish up what you were doing before the queen comes out and see you here. Come on.
Nnamdi, come and rest and drink water.
Rest, what?
Eh? We must not finish this work today.
No. We have to finish this work today. I need to earn money to feed. We don't have anything. If you're tired, you can go and rest. No problem. I'll rest when the job is done.
Nanda, I never knew you have this kind of strength. Eh? With this kind of strength you have, I think I will get more farmland for you.
Biko, if you see any other one, don't hesitate to let me know. We are willing to work. Oh, anyone. Ngwan.
But I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you when you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters.
Dad, you disowned your own son, your flesh and blood, the crown prince of this kingdom, simply because he insisted on marrying a girl he is in love with. That's unfair. Huh?
Ebuka, I am happy you said the crown prince of this kingdom. Ebuka, if you know what fair means, you should be able to consider what the crown prince of this kingdom did by bringing in a nobody, a low blood, an outsider for a wife. You will not tell me whether his action was fair or unfair.
Dad, you're not supposed to choose for your children who to marry or who not to marry. This is 21st century, for crying out loud. Please.
My princess, this is your father. I know what is good for all of you, my children. I never chose for him who to marry. Your brother came in here and introduced the girl to me. No royal blood, not known anywhere, just an ordinary person. And I said, no, you are a prince. People started begging, your mother up and down, everybody. I said, okay, fine. Go and bring her home. In the process of bringing her home, the girl turned out to be an outcast.
An outcast?
Yes.
I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you when you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters.
Good morning, my queen. Haven't I been patient enough for you and your daughter? Why won't your daughter allow my son to come home?
My queen, the way you are looking for your son is the same way I'm looking for my daughter. I don't know where your son took my daughter to. I've not set my eyes on them. I was even planning to come to the palace to ask your son about my daughter. But fear wouldn't allow me.
I won't be this nice when next I come here. I want my son back in one piece.
Someone else, I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you when you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are, I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are, I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters. Love is all that matters. I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are, I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me.
Then,
That's all that
are you saying that for the past 1 week, you've not set your eyes on our daughter?
I have not seen them, Bo. I've gone in search of her everywhere.
That means maybe she has gone to stay with some of her friends in the university.
No, Nai. I don't even know any of her friends. You know our daughter now. She barely have friends.
We have to go to the royal palace to find out if she's there.
No. The queen came looking for her son here. If they are there, she wouldn't have come. And
Yeah. I'm confused. If she's not in the palace, where else she could be?
I don't know. I don't know where to get my daughter.
Hey. Yeah, you're welcome, my prince. Somebody called me and told me that he saw a vehicle drove into my compound.
Yes, actually, we're looking for my brother, the crown prince.
Your brother, the prince? He's not here. And we're also looking for our daughter.
Okay, what about her mom?
She traveled.
Any idea when she'll be back?
Not at all. No idea. No idea.
Very well then. We'll have to be on our way. Let me know if anything comes up.
Thank you.
I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what.
Snacks! Come.
Snacks.
How much?
50 naira.
You know like this.
Check the expiring date. Now confirm. Now yesterday I buy them.
How much?
50 naira.
Bros, let's say all these things.
Snapback day there. The number day there.
There's 5 people.
You never expire, bros. Bros, do my sell market. Do my sell market.
Do 100 naira.
No, I know they said 300 naira. Na 150.
Bros, give me 300 naira.
Bros, do my sell market.
Go buy Coke.
Time no day.
Last time I buy for Sapele. Go buy Coke. Buy Coke one for me.
Big one or small one?
Big one, everything don't change. 541.
Food is ready.
Let's go eat.
Yeah, this is good though. You people did a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See here, my father has a farmland close to the Orashi River, and he wants you people to come and clear it tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no. Tomorrow I won't have chance. I've already promised Mama Ejike that I'm coming tomorrow to clear her farmland. So I can't make it tomorrow. But you don't have to worry. My friend and the wife, they'll be here to do the job for you.
Your friend, Kwa? Ha. Wow.
They're even the reason we finished this farmland today. He's a very strong man, no? He's very strong. Don't mind this. Leave this one. He's a very strong man. No?
Two of us.
There is no problem. Meanwhile, $5,000.
Thank you.
It's complete. Thank you.
I will be expecting you people tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hi. Dalulo.
Sweetheart, you know that business is about $2 billion. I personally have spent $500 million. That is what it has engulfed from me.
What's it? $900 million, sir.
Oh, my boy. That is why I take you around. You are too conversant with records.
I chop wish.
Sweetheart, don't mind me. You know, too many figures. Your Highness.
Guards, seize these two idiots.
Oh, sir, I don't have face.
What's the meaning of this?
Hey! Where you, Aboki? Hey! You not clear. Where you don't fight for your crisis? I beg.
What's the meaning of this? Come on. The meaning of this? You are embarrassing me. Come on. Wait, hold on. Come on, move. Hey, calm down.
Take him away.
Your Highness,
move, come on.
Remember, I'm the grandson of Nana. Even at the grave, he will not be happy.
Take him away.
What's going on?
I said get inside.
Your Highness, are you aware of this? Hey.
I said get inside.
Give me. Hey. Come on. You are embarrassing me. Shut up. I'm a big boy. You're a criminal. I'm a big boy. You are embarrassing me.
I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me.
You're not ready yet.
I don't feel well.
Your body is even hot.
What's wrong with you?
I don't feel well.
Talk to me. What's wrong with you?
I didn't see my period this past month.
What does that imply? That
I think I'm pregnant.
you're pregnant. Eh? Thank you, God. Are you for real? This is good news. Why are you sulking? Listen, okay. Henceforth, no more work for you. I'll do the work for both of us. I'll go farming. I'll do all the chores for everyone. I'll earn the money alone to just take care of you and the baby. All you need to do is sit at home, eat, rest, and sleep. This is good news. Cheer up, baby. What are you doing?
Where?
Yes. You're going to give me a baby. I'm going to be a father. You will be the mother of my baby. We're going to become parents. Can't you see it? This is good news. Ooh, wow.
Mama, Oga, I beg now. The criminal. Hey. So you want come here, do us a bit? No. Ayo! Bros, na girl like the cello. Na girl. There's only girl like the cello. I know they work for sure. Hey!
You see, ever since Dad arrested your friend that came to dupe you, you've not been yourself.
But I can't explain it. I've fallen in love with him.
Love. Are you sure it's love you feel, or you're just feeling pity?
Not at all. But I loved him. Even when I'm yet to know his true identity.
Well, if you say you love him, then I suggest you follow your heart. do the right thing. Okay?
You're not getting it. He's cold. Brother, he's cold. I don't know what to do.
Don't worry. Okay? Love will always come around. Don't worry yourself. Alright?
I think so.
Chill. Chill.
Yeah, I had to come back early because I know you're not feeling fine and you might be needing my attention. How are you doing now? Good to know. Have you had something to eat?
I'm not hungry.
How can you say you're not hungry? You need to eat. Especially in this condition. You need food, okay?
Are you sure we can do this?
Yes, we can.
No, I mean, raising a child in this environment and our condition, it's not going to be easy. You know that.
Nobody said it was going to be easy, I know. But I make you this promise today that I will do everything humanly possible to make sure I take care of you and this baby and give us a better life. Let's just stay positive, okay? Now you need to eat something. Let me fix you something in the kitchen, right? Uche nwannem. And you no longer come to work. What happened? Not like I don't want to come to work, but you see, my wife has been sick lately, so I stay at home and take care of her.
Yeah, but that shouldn't stop you from coming to work. You know, women, they are prone to sickness.
I know that, but this sickness is not normal monthly sickness.
Hey! I go work. Congratulations. Okay, cable.
Thank you.
I go
Thank you.
Chai! In fact, I'm no longer going to work again. Huh? We are going to Mama Ndozi's joint to drink fresh palm wine.
Hi. Palm wine and one nobi. I wanted to go and drop this at home, but you know what happened? Let's go there first.
Come. Okay.
See, Ose.
Take them easy now.
Ose, this is for maga you. They maga you. Champion of worry. They maga you. If no be say, I not bring my boo come, I will just carry my boo now enter that palace, I'll first fall the OVA. Cut the hand, carry enter after. All this for maga you, Ose.
Easy now. This will not be firewood. Easy. Don't say my back, they pain me.
But Ose, we try you. We break record.
You think be we? We where you leave me run. What till you come be PA for? No make me vex.
Ose, I need that first. So, are you not rugged? Ose, I'm rugged to run. No, rugged to run. Champion of worry. No, not be carry last now. I chop once.
I'm very sorry. Please. It's not what you think. I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. As a matter of fact, the gap is too much for both of us. The rich and the poor. Please. I apologize. Please forgive me. I love you for real.
Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are.
I thought I said worry not the carry last. Ose.
Sorry.
You don't make us proud. You make the fool Wafi proud. Just like Efe.
Efe. Efe. So very so funny.
It's my brother.
I will say money there. I for just go arrange banga soup and fresh fish. Understand?
You.
Efe you.
But you know, I no CBN now.
Don't mind him.
Everywhere good, everywhere good, everywhere good. I dey come. I dey come.
I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say.
Let's start from the beginning again. Tell me about your real self.
You already know my name. I'm from Delta State. I read agro-engineering and I graduated from Abia State University 12 years ago. And since then, I've been jobless. Yeah.
It is a common thing in the country, where the rich cannot help the poor. I can understand your pain. Nana, I have loved you from the beginning. I will help you. I will help you get a job. I will talk to one or two persons on your behalf.
I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your gesture.
Come on, it's nothing.
On all the things I've done to you.
That is in the past now. Okay? Just leave it behind us.
I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
I'm happy.
Aha! Efe.
Efe?
Mm-hmm.
Efe's in the house.
I will talk to my dad. Yeah, to see if he can make him one of his cars in the palace.
Efe?
Yeah.
Efe is a real definition of worry no dey carry last. And even if he had, we play him draw.
You're very funny.
Yes. Please, Just allow Efe to go back to Warri and enjoy himself.
Is that what you want? Okay, no problem.
I'm so happy.
I'm happy.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with
I have not been seeing you come to the farm with your husband and his friend. I got curious. I decided to go and ask Uchenna. And then he told me you have been sick. But from what I'm saying, it's a normal sickness. How have you been coping?
I've been coping fine. Yeah, I am fine. I was sick, but I'm well now.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you for coming.
And your husband?
He's at work.
And I'm very sure your husband must be the one that told you to stop coming to the farm.
Oh, yes. It was him.
So lucky. Yes, to have such a hard-working and humble man. I keep praying that God will give me such a man when I'm getting married. Yes.
He will.
You mean?
I pray so for you.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Anyways, I heard you were sick. So, I brought food for you.
You really shouldn't have. You shouldn't have.
Anything for you. You're my friend. So if you need anything, do not hesitate to call on me. My house is not far from yours.
Thank you. You're a good friend.
I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking. How was your day?
My day was good.
Okay.
But I've told you to stop cooking. I don't want you to keep cooking in this condition. Leave the cooking for me to do.
But I can cook.
No.
Besides, you've been at work all day. I figured you'd be hungry, so I thought to cook so you have food to eat when you're back.
Hungry? Yes.
Okay.
But I'm not complaining. I can do the cooking myself, okay? Do not worry.
I can.
Don't worry. I'll do the cooking myself.
Oh, but I'm well rested now.
I said don't worry. I'll do the cooking myself. You hear? What are you doing here?
Calm down. Calm down, my son, please. Calm down. Calm down.